watch previous video, then you will get better the last episode.
Next up is the making espresso with niche grinder. So I'm gonna use the same amount of coffee, 18 grams. And also, I'm gonna change the grinder dial a bit finer. So it was on 25, but I'll turn to 23.5. And I start to grind. And start the shot. Let's see. It seems a bit fast though. Yeah, it's really similar to the shot that I just did with Tanzania. And the total extraction time was the same, 29 seconds. And the amount of coffee was 36 grams. So it's basically the similar, not the same, but still. Anyway. Oh. It has more aroma into it, and the berry like aroma lasts longer, much longer, and it has a spicy aroma in here, and the acidity is similar but a bit different. Acidity is a bit darker. Yeah, there is spicy in here, but it has like sort of chocolatey aftertaste into it. Berry like flavor is okay, but it's not like clear blueberry right now. It's almost like cranberry. Yeah, but the aftertaste, the chocolatey aftertaste is really good. And the acidity is not that strong, but it's not as pleasant as coffee using the Tanzania. No, it's just different. Yeah, and it's quite heavy. Even though it was really similar, I may not say it's like worse or bad, but it's so different. I may just want to shorten the total extraction time. So I will not use this slower pre-infusion. So I'm just gonna use the 8 milliliters of pre-infusion and probably like lower pressure than even 6 bar. So I'll just use like 4 bar to make this coffee. And I'll just cursor the grinder setting to like, it was 23.5. I'll just dial the grinder setting to 24.5. Let's do this. Let's see. Oh, thank God it's not too slow. There you go, there you go. Yep, so total extraction time was 21 seconds and the flow rate was okay, but it got just faster to keep the pressure that I set. And here's the espresso that I just made. Wow, it's too much crema. Much brighter. Wow, the aftertaste right now is the same like before. It's chocolatey, but it's just gentle. Wow, it feels so good. And it also has the wheat cracker aroma. So it's like chocolatey and wheat cracker. It just mixes really well. But the like blueberry like flavor, the aroma is not that strong, but I may be able to say it's well balanced. It's okay, I'm happy with it. And the acidity is not that intense. It's everything is well balanced. That thing is like protruded. Yes, so the flavor is kind of like filled up all the way, but it's kind of like boring because it doesn't have like that many of flavor into it. That's it. That's the profile that I just made, and this is the guideline right now. It's Tade niche. So that's it. Now I'm going to use this soft water to do the like same procedure, but I'm just gonna shortcut the procedure because it's gonna be the same. I just make espresso and taste it, think about which way I'm gonna do, and then make the profile again, or just redial the grinder and then taste it. Oh, if it's okay, then I just set as the guideline, but it's not okay, I'm just gonna do the same procedure again. So if I can find like really good coffee, much better than like kind of heavier water, then I'll just put it in the video. Otherwise, I'll just skip the part just explaining about like what it was like this, and I'll just share the profile. So that's it. So I'll show you how to change the water. What I'm gonna do is getting rid of all the water in this machine. If you go to machine and there is transport and tap OK. Then remove the drip tray and drag the water tank front. And now the pump's working to like push all the water in the machine out like this. With the water, I just rinse my water filter. That's it. The water remained in the machine, and I just throw it away. Oh really? No. Yeah. Do it again.
I got the bargain.
So when you do this process, you have to turn off the patron kit, refill kit. Otherwise, the machine senses there's no water, so it starts to refill the machine. Then you're gonna get this situation happening. And then I'll put new water into the water tank like this. That's it. And I'm gonna put tube in here. So this tube connects to the refill kits. There you go. I'll put the water tank in and then I'll turn the refill kits on. It's catering kit. And that's it. I just changed the water in the coffee machine. Too easy, isn't it? So let's go half and half. Not so much bitterness, less aroma, is like much lighter, and it's really easy to drink. I think this water with this profile is great, but not likely it's for the latte. For latte, the heavier water is better. And now time to do the niche. Juicy. Actually juicy. The acidity is quite bright. It has like stronger aroma, long-lasting stronger aroma. It's quite heavy. It's heavier than the one with the flat grinder. So great. Fazenda Barreiro, Brazil. Lighter, nutty, yeah, smoky. It's like almost burnt nut. I think the burnt nut kind of flavor was from the crema. A bit of chocolatey, but much less bitterness in here. It's the same, it's easier to drink. Yeah, I think the flavor way, this water is much better for making this coffee with niche. And it's kind of like lighter than the heavier water. I'm happy with this. Great. Finally, the last one. Here we got Tade again. Tade.
Oh, this is so tiring.
Oh. The aftertaste is just like caramel. Wow. Yeah, it's really light, but tastes so good. The first aroma is like blueberry and it's sort of empty in the middle. At the end, it comes with the caramel like aroma. And acidity is, what can I say, kind of cute. It just kind of like tickles my tongue. But that means it's really easy to just drink espresso. Oh, yeah, it's really similar like before with the kind of heavier water. It's really similar. It's kind of like lighter, but the aftertaste is different. So firstly, it gives the berry, like blueberry like aroma, but aftertaste is more like caramel. So I'm not sure if it's better, but it's quite kind of different. But it's really easy to drink it as espresso. So if you want to have like Americano with this coffee, then use the kind of heavier water. But if you want to have just espresso itself, then use the softer water. Overall, actually for drinking espresso, if you use like flat grinder and the softer water, it's gonna be like lighter and really easy to drink. But if you want to like have a latte or Americano, just use heavier water. Oh, I drink a lot of coffee today. I need 2 glass or something. Oh, but anyway, thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Peace out.